Hey, it's Angie the Purple Craft Diva. Let's make this DIY hair clip. So you get a bag of clips. You'll just need one and a spool of any kind of lace thread or fabric thread. Should be less than $5. This first piece was about 13 inches long. I folded in half to make the start of a bow. Then the next piece was about 20 inches long. You're going to just fold it in half. You're going to lay both pieces in the middle on top of a string. And that string is what is going to tie it all together. Kind of like I've shown you how to make a bow before in the past. If you don't know, scroll through my pages and I'll show you how to make a bow. Tie that tight, cut off the ends. You're going to put a little hot glue there to secure that. All right, now we're going to attach that to the actual clip. And then we want to secure the hoops of the bow to the clip as well so that it doesn't flop around and the clip doesn't show once you have it on. All right, then the last piece, which is about 24 inches long, you're going to actually thread through the actual clip and just tie it in a knot. What was great about this lace ribbon I had, it had a little stretch to it, so it tied really neat. All right, so it should leave you with 4 ends. Cut them till they're the same length. And then you can accessorize it however you like. I added some pearls. They were already sticky, so I could lay them down and kind of see how I wanted before I hot glued them. And then you just take them back off, add some hot glue so that they can withstand the wear, everyday wear. And then I actually added actual pearls to the end of it too to kind of just jazz it up and bring it all together. This was a vintage lace and the pearls just gave it a real vintage look. Hot glue everything down and you are ready to go. There is your DIY bow hair clip for less than $5. Isn't it so cute? You can wear this bow to jazz up any ponytail. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for more creative ideas.